So now we're going to demonstrate how to print cable wrap labels on the PTE920BT using the Pro Label tool app. For this you want to use flexible ID tape. So select the cable wrap templates from the main home screen here. And we're going to be working with a standard Cat6a network cable, which is roughly 6mm in diameter. So let's go ahead and select this template here. Now, we're not just going to print one single label. We're going to print a batch of labels at once using the serialization function within the app. Often, we need to label lots of cables at once when carrying out an installation, but nobody likes to type individual labels out one by one. It's a complete waste of time. So, if we go down here and select Connect Database or Serialize, and then click Serialize Data, we can type in our first identifier, so AD07, which indicates the rack number, followed by -13, which is a specific panel, and then :01 for cable number 1. Then click Serialization. Now it's going to ask me to input a specific count, which is essentially the number of cables you need to label. So let's just do something simple, like 8. Then if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see a preview of the 8 individual labels it has generated in sequential order. Once you're happy, press Done here in the top right corner. And let's go ahead and print a few. When we go to Print and then Print Range, it will give us a couple of options. All records, which is the job you just built, the entire job. In this case, 8 cable wrap labels. Or a specific range, if you'd just like to print part of the job. We're going to print the complete job in one go. And then we want to make sure that we're using the half cut feature in order to print the labels in one continuous strip. To do that, simply tap Cut to open up the different cut settings and ensure that the half cut and cutter end are enabled and that the auto cut function is disabled. And then hit Print. There you go. We've printed out 8 serialized cable wrap labels in one continuous strip with minimal effort. The half cut feature means you can simply peel each label off one by one as and when you need to apply them to your cables.